We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Small bite, okay? Easy bite.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show off how unique my cat is because as you can see he's black and white but has orange paws. He put his paws into spaghetti yesterday.
Yeah. I go.
3, 2. Oh my god! Hi, sweet baby. You don't have a home, do you? Uh-oh.
Somebody's mad.
What happened to them again?